Gautam Adani, the chairman of the Indian multinational conglomerate Adani Group and one of the world's wealthiest individuals, has been indicted in New York on allegations of orchestrating a multi-billion-dollar fraud scheme. U.S. prosecutors announced the charges on Wednesday, accusing Adani and two senior executives from Adani Green Energy, Sagar Adani, his nephew, and Vineet Jain, of bribery and financial misconduct. Between 2020 and 2024, Adani and his associates allegedly paid over $250 million in bribes to Indian government officials to secure lucrative solar energy contracts projected to generate $2 billion in profits over 20 years. Prosecutors further accused Adani Green Energy of raising over $3 billion through loans and bonds during this period, based on false and misleading statements. These criminal charges, filed in New York, mark a significant blow to the 62-year-old billionaire whose expansive business empire includes ports, airports, and renewable energy projects. The indictment comes amid mounting scrutiny of Adani's business practices and long-standing accusations by political opposition in India that he has benefited from his close ties with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, allegations Adani has consistently denied. A U.S. judge has issued arrest warrants for Gautam Adani and his nephew Sagar Adani, with plans to forward these to foreign law enforcement. Among others charged are executives from a separate renewable energy company and an employee of a Canadian institutional investor. Of the 8 individuals named in the indictment, 7 are Indian nationals residing in India, while the 8th, Cyril Cabanes, holds French-Australian citizenship and resides in Singapore. The investigation into Adani Group reportedly began in 2022, with reports of the bribery probe circulating for months. As of now, neither Gautam Adani nor Adani Group has issued a formal response to the allegations. Adani Group has also been embroiled in controversies in Kenya, where it has been linked to a contentious lease agreement for the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, JKIA. Additionally, the company was recently awarded a $736 million power transmission contract by Kenya's Ministry of Energy, a deal that was subsequently frozen by the Kenyan High Court. These allegations represent a critical juncture for Gautam Adani and the broader Adani Group, with potential global ramifications for one of India's largest conglomerates. The case underscores growing international scrutiny of business practices that may leverage political connections for financial gain. For India, the indictment could pose questions about corporate governance, political influence, and the credibility of its regulatory framework. The Kenyan controversies further complicate the picture, raising concerns about how such international business dealings might impact developing economies. With the JKIA leasing deal and other contracts under dispute, Kenya's decision-makers must carefully evaluate the long-term implications of working with firms under investigation for corruption. This unfolding saga not only highlights the interconnected nature of global business and politics, but also serves as a reminder that even the most powerful players are not immune to accountability on the international stage. If proven, these allegations could severely damage Adani Group's reputation and its ability to operate globally. For now, the world watches as the case develops.